Magandang gabi. Nandito ako ngayon sa Clark Freeport Zone dito sa Public Safety Division Office of the Clark Development Corporation ng kanilang Traffic Management Section kasama ng Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission. Kung paano kami nakarating dito at sa Clark Freeport ay dahil sa isang welfare check na ginagawa ng PAOK kanina sa Angeles City. Bale, kanina, ang PAOK, armed with a search warrant, was conducting a welfare check and they caught some Filipinos and foreign nationals aboard different vehicles going out of the premises of the Royal Garden Estate along PhilAm Friendship Highway doon sa Angeles City. Mga bandang 7 p.m. ayun, around 113 individuals, mostly of Chinese nationalities, as well as Vietnamese at meron ding Filipinos, are currently being held for questioning over this alleged pogo operations dito sa Porac, Pampanga. That pogo has been identified as Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated, which has an entry point doon sa Royal Garden Estate sa Angeles City. If you're local, no, kung Kapampangan ka at taga Angeles ka, itong Royal Garden Estate ay kilala bilang isa sa mga malaking estate dito sa Angeles City kung saan merong golf course at meron na ring mga bali-balitang merong pogo site doon. So ito nga yun, yung Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated.
Hawak-hawak natin ako ang search warrant. Nagawa tayo ng mga choke points dito sa paligid. At dahil sa welfare check, inaalaw yun ng batas welfare check. Ibig sabihin nun, inahabol natin yung mga gumagawa ng trafficking. I-check natin kung meron silang mga sakay ng mga traffic victims.
And PAOK spokesperson Winston Casio said the welfare check is actually part of their operation prior to an actual raid. So dahil kanina pagdating namin doon sa pogo site or premises of the pogo site, walang kuryente at wala na ring tao. Consequently, ang PAOK installed checkpoints to all known exit points of the pogo facility. They have also coordinated with the CDC, ito ang Traffic Management Section ng kanilang Public Safety Division, para i-check ang mga papasok ng Clark Freeport at that time. At yun nga, may mga nahuling 12 vehicles, sakay ng mga puting van, I believe they are, at nahuli or hinarangan sila ng CDC at dinala dito sa Traffic Management Section. So, meron silang mga about 69, mostly of Chinese also. May mga Vietnamese at mangilang-ngilang Malaysian na nandoon at nakasakay doon sa mga 12 vehicles. Meron ding mga Filipinos pa rin as well.
All foreigners without passport, you are in violation of Immigration Act of 1935.
就是所有你们外国人如果身上没有持有护照原件呢，其实你们是触犯了移民局的法令的哈。
If you are a foreigner in the Philippines, you are required to bring your passport at all times.
如果我们特别是外国人哈，在菲律宾的话，你们随时都要随身的携带你们的护照原件的。
但是这个酒精没有这个序啊，这移民局怎么办？完，可以拿签证给你看一下，来这个。
Ano sinabi niya?
Then you have no passport. That's still a violation. All foreign nationals without passport, we will detain you and we will bring you to our facility for immigration inquest tomorrow.
他说所有外国人，就是你们身上如果没有护照原件的话，他们就会扣押你们，把你们带到他们的那个拘留所，让移民局明天来审讯你们哈。
At ngayon, dinala sila sa Nasdaq Building for their inquest proceedings. Ang Nasdaq Building, kung matatandaan ninyo, ito yung building ng Smart Web Technology Corporation na isang POGO site din na ni-raid ng PAOK noong or sometime last year. At ginawa itong temporary detention facility para sa mga POGO workers na nahuhuli from the raids for their inquest proceedings or for their questioning, as well as those awaiting deportation. At so far, dinala lahat ng mga Filipinos, lahat ng mga foreign nationals doon. At ang gagawin mamaya or mga bandang 7 in the morning ay babalik yung mga authorities and law enforcers doon sa Lucky South to continue conducting their or implementing the search warrant that they have. So itong Lucky South nga na ito is by far the biggest facility, POGO facility in Pampanga, with a reported total number of 46 buildings, including villas and other structures. At meron nga din daw itong golf course sa loob. At so far, sabi ni PAOK Winston Casio kanina, ay ang Lucky South ay hindi registered or it is not an IGL. Nag-apply daw ito ng IGL sometime in December 2023 at hindi pa ito na-approve at wala pa silang permit. At yun lamang ang mga pangyayari ngayon. This is Joanne Manabat para sa Rappler, Clark Freeport, Pampanga.